Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this short video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy Peanut the Squirrel, this famous meme coin, step by step guys. So as you can see, we are on the CoinMarketCap, and when you scroll a little bit down, you will see the full list of the exchanges where you are able to buy the Peanut the Squirrel coin guys. But in this video I'm gonna teach you how to buy it on Bitget, and I will tell you several reasons why Bitget is the best place to buy this crypto. First of all guys, there are super low fees. You can deposit money with the lowest commissions, and there are super low fees on trading guys. You can buy any cryptocurrency with the lowest fees, and also if you use my personal affiliate link, which is in the description, you can get $10 trading bonus guys, of course if you deposit more than $50. So that's why I suggest you to buy it on Bitget. And now I'll show you the process, what you need to do. First of all, you need to sign up on Bitget. The link is in the description. You need to sign up, go through KYC. It will take maximum 5 minutes guys, and once you're done, then you can deposit money on Bitget. So first of all, you need to have USDT on your balance to buy Peanut the Squirrel token. So how to have USDT? You need to go to the buy crypto, and you can see there are several options to deposit money. You can use the credit or debit card. For example, you need to go to this page, and for example you are depositing 100 USD on your Bitget account. You will get 94.25 USDT on your balance. So once you will have available USDT on your balance, then you need to go to the trade in the top menu, and in the search you need to type Peanut. You can see here is Peanut/USDT. You need to select this crypto, and on the right side you need to enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay to buy the Peanut token. So for example, you are going to buy 100 worth USDT Peanut tokens guys. So for example, you are paying 100 USDT and you will receive this amount of Peanut tokens guys. So then you need to click the buy Peanut button right here. I will show you just an example. So I will buy 10 USDT worth Peanut. So let's click buy, click confirm, and in a few seconds you can check your wallet. So guys, how to check your balance? You need to hover over the wallet icon in the top right and go to the assets. Right here on the left side you will see this menu, and you need to go to the spot account where you will see your Peanut token balance. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.